G'day crypto YouTube. We are going to go over the price of Bitcoin and go over some potential trade setups for the upcoming days, weeks. So I've got the weekly chart just for some context straight away. We've had this big scam bankman fraud weekly candle here. After this big massive downtrend that we've been going on since November last year, so for 12 months we've been going down. Coming into the daily, this is a scam bankman fraud, and we put in a new low, as most of you are aware, and we managed to put in a lower low. I managed to take a long from this position here, from that level there, and she's in some tidy profits. You know, 6% move. It's very nice. Leverage that a bit, and get a bit more Bitcoin in your account. So coming down to even smaller time frame, 4 hour. This is a good one to give you a bit of context of what it's doing in the more shorter term. Well, we bounced off here. There was some divergences happening on the MACD and RSI. Looked like we were making some sort of rising wedge, and now that was invalidated, and we've got this symmetrical triangle, which is a continuation pattern. So this is of this continuation of this up move here. And a lot of people are looking at this. If you go on YouTube now, you see they're talking about it, ready to bust open a long as we break out of this triangle. And me, that's not how I trade. I like to do things a bit different than the market typically. So I am looking long, looking to add to this long here, but I'd like a bit of a pullback first. So these are the two zones I'm looking at. We've got this 4-hour order block here. It's also the 0.5 of this low and that high there. And then we've got the golden pocket down here. This 0.5 also lines up with the value area low of this lower range. Is that correct? Yeah. So this is something, a nice area. We've got a bit of confluence here with a few different indicators. And as for shorts, I'll just remove my fixed range. And where are my shorts? Let me bring them on the screen. We've got these areas above us. So we've got the liquidity here, plus a local golden pocket, I believe from this wick here on the 4-hour. Boom. This is the first area I'd be looking to take a short. So coming from here, that is roughly, oh, come on, 3% move. It's pretty nice from where we are here, but I'll be actually looking to short this area here. Moving up, we've also got the 786 up here. We've got some liquidity from those highs there, and then moving up higher again, we've got this order block here, the 4-hour, and then here up here is the golden pocket. So of the macro move, I don't think we'll be getting up to here, these two areas anytime soon, but I am looking closely, very closely at these areas here, 1, 2. So I'll be looking for swing failure patterns again. So we want to see price breaking these and then candles closing below, and also the same up here. For the long, what are we looking at? We'd be looking at, long trade. We'd be looking to enter roughly, let's bring them out here. We'd be looking to enter around this zone. Target here, I'd say it'd be here, the the point of control of that area there. So we'd have our target there. And then our stop loss would be sitting roughly below those lows here. So it's a nice risk to reward ratio there. 8 to 1, maybe a bit lower. Bring it. Oh no, right on the point of control. But these are the type of setups that I like. The short trade again. So I'll just turn this one off. You know, again, I'd be looking for my first one for an entry around this level here. So we enter there. The target, again, the ultimate target is here. Again, at this point of control. And then the stop loss going here, be above these highs. So it's, you know, 0.73% stop loss. It's manageable. Just don't get over leveraged. And a risk to reward ratio of 4. So you can see the best way to trade these is you just come to your chart. This is your zone. Boom. Right click, add alert, and then in your alert name, you can just go short. Okay. Same thing here. We'll come here into this box here, add alert, and we'll call this one long. This way, you're not there staring at charts all day long. You can go about your business. And then if price gets to that level, you'll get a notification on your phone. You come to your screen, you look what price is doing. You can use indicators like the RSI or the MACD, see if we are diverging on the lower time frames. You know, you come into the 15-minute, you know, that would be one time frame I'd be looking at. 30-minute time frame first. The hour, actually, you'd be starting on the hourly time frame. You'd be trying to see some divergences here, coming down to the 30 minutes, 15, all the way down to the 5. So, but yeah, as you're coming into this, for example, I'd want to be seeing essentially lower lows in the price, but higher lows on the RSI. So you want to see the RSI doing something like this. Comes up, put in a low there, it comes up again, boom. So you want to see something like this happening there, and the price you want price to be putting in a lower low at this point here. So if we did that there, as we come into this level, you want to see price coming down, putting in a low, and then just a lower low here. Boom, that's your signal to go long. All right, guys, thanks for that. Happy trading and don't get wrecked. Comment on the video if you like, subscribe, like the video if you enjoyed the content, and I hope I see you guys again soon. Bye.